What's going on Instagram, what's going on YouTube, or if you've tuned in through sneakersinthefox.com, what's going on? It's your boy Sneakers in the Fox, doing an unboxing of pickup. Actually had these sneakers for a good 2 months now. Just haven't got around to doing an unboxing. They've just been sitting in a box collecting dust, and I felt right now was a good time to go ahead and do a review. I got like 2 other sneakers that I'm doing a review, and I got 2 like in the mail on the way that I gotta do unboxing reviews on. So I was like, let's go ahead and get this out the way in time to for these unboxings coming up. So with no further ado, well, let's introduce what we got on right now. Right now I got the Sneakers in the Fox dad hat. These have not dropped yet. These will be dropping soon, so be on the lookout. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, Sneakers in the Fox, and Twitter for the release date. The t-shirt is actually out now on sneakersinthefox.com. This is the green colorway. As you can see, the Fox is wearing the green colorway. This is the original sneaker. I stopped the previous release. I had to revamp a few things, and this is the re-release. So this is the OG Sneakers in the Fox green colorway. We will be dropping other t-shirts with different colorways, sneakers. So just be on the lookout for that. But for right now, the green colorway, sneakersinthefox.com. Make sure you go cop your shirt. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the sneakers. What we have here is the Adidas Temper Run. Dang, that light is bright. It's blinding your boy. So just bear with me. Trying to see what I'm reading here. That light got me blinded right now. So it's the Adidas Temper Run. The colorway is Sea Black, and Glow is the colorway. So shouts out to GOAT. Got this for a super steal. Couldn't resist it. You know I love the steals. Got your Adidas tape in the box. Both sides look the same, so we're just gonna do the right sneaker. Here you go. The around the world view for y'all. On top, bottom. So let's see what we have here. We'll start with the toe. The toe, we have mesh on the toe, and actually going all the way up. We got mesh all the way up into the logo, the Adidas logo. And then we have the gray suede right here on the toe. And this is the glow color. Glow color right here. That's the colorway that I have on the box, and we have another hit of that glow color right here too. And on the back, we also have the same as on the front of the toe. We also have the gray hits on the back here, the suede right here. Come all the way here. Your 3 stripes right here, and this is, I'm not sure how it's looking right now, I'll let y'all know, but it should show the 3M reflectives. I know I took a picture of the flash to see if it was I thought this would be probably 3M, but it was actually the 3 stripes that were the 3M reflective. And with that light, you're probably seeing a 3M reflective. Okay, and let's look at, and then you also have suede here on the lower half. It's black suede. So you got black suede here, goes all the way up to the toe, and it stops. Then back of the toe here, and back around. You have that black suede right there as well. This is all mesh here, mesh. So the mesh goes around the sneaker. You got the mesh here, mesh. And it's your midsole. Cool midsole. And the technology is Adidas is the technology, and it's in the heel of the sneaker, and pretty much it helps with the impact. It prevents that impact to your foot when you're doing your training or running or etc. So that technology, that's what the comfort it provides right here in the hit. So if you hit hard, it stops, it prevents it from that bounce back of to your foot. So that's what that Adidas technology is here for. And here's the bottom of the sneaker right here. It's a pretty dope sneaker. They also have a purple colorway. I'm waiting for that price to go down, and I'm definitely grab that once that purple colorway price comes down. But here you go. This is the Temple Run, a dope sneaker. Kind of reminds me of it looks like a wave runner model from the Yeezys. It's got that kind of style to it. But it is your typical dad shoe runner, and that's what I'm on right now, are runners. But I'm also starting to get back into high tops. I got the Puma Samsons on the way. That's a high top. I got another video review I gotta do for y'all of another high top that I got. And then Adidas got some high tops that they released, that 90s feel. I'm really getting back into those. I'm a 90s kid, so I'm really getting back into those and with these runners from the 90s. But it was crazy in the 90s when I was a kid, I wasn't rocking runners. I wasn't into runners. I was into basketball sneakers like a lot of kids wore back in the 90s with the basketball sneakers. But as I got older and I like the comfort and style, I've gotten to the runners. But I got some 90s sneakers that I'll be reviewing for y'all. So once again, make sure you like, subscribe, follow, and leave a comment. Let me know what you think about these Adidas Temple Runs. Like I said, sneakersinthefox.com. T-shirts right here. The hat's coming. We got the T-shirts online, sneakersinthefox.com. Make sure you go copy your shirt. If you do copy your shirt, make sure you post it, tag me, and all that. And we got more T-shirts coming. We actually got the shoebox events. We're working on some events for y'all right now. The last one was a shoebox back in August of last year. Got some more events that we're planning for this year, before the end of this year. So just make sure you follow me at Sneakers and the Fox. Sneakers and a Fox. Boom. We out.